Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. And this week, they happen to have pork butts on sale, 99 cents a pound. So we got one of those. What we're going to do, we're going to just cube it up. Now there's a bone in there. We're just going to debone it. And what we'll do, we'll have the bone to cook along with some beans or bone broth. Carolyn will have it. But what we're going to do, we're just going to chunk it up, about 2-inch chunks, maybe 3. And we'll be using the Instapot again. But we're not going to be having all that liquid in there this time. So, Shug, don't worry. We're not going to have Old Faithful there. And we're going to do a natural release on this. We're going to cook it roughly 35 minutes. And then we'll just do a natural release. But what we're going to do, we're going to add, we'll weigh it out after we cut the bone out of it and see how many pounds we got. We're just going to use taco seasoning. And we'll pour in there with it. And we'll see what it does.
And pork tacos.
Yeah. Pork tacos, just like Carolyn said there. Thank you, Shug.
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's get started. I'm just going to cut it up. Alrighty, now what we did, we weighed out 4 pounds of cut meat. We've still got this much left. So one day this week, what we'll do, we'll take the rest of this, put it in the Instapot, and cook it. And then we can just pick it right off the meat. Since we had so much left over, and then the bones, we can save them for Carolyn's bone broth. But what we're going to do, since we got 4 pounds of meat, any taco seasoning will work. Now this calls for 1 pound of ground meat. So what we're going to do, we're going to put 4 packs in there. And then we're only going to probably put about a cup, just a little bit, maybe a cup and a half of water. We'll look at it and see. And like I said, we're going to cook it there. Then we're going to do a natural release. Let's go on. Alrighty, we're just going to sort of layer it here. We'll put the seasoning in. Then we'll put in some more meat. We'll open up another. Now what I'm doing, just always try to keep one hand out of the meat there, where you can use it to pick up the scissors or whatever. We don't want no cross-contamination. And you can play with this here. This is the first time we've ever made it like this here. Orange juice. Apple juice is real good with pork. Grape juice. Just play around with the flavors, folks. Like I always say, have fun. Now, we're going to get a little bit of water. Probably about a cup. We'll see what that looks like in there. And then we'll go from there. Let me wash my hands up. Alrighty, I've got 1.5 cups of water here. Just pour that over it here. Okay. Now, I'll tell you what, folks, I'm actually going to get a wooden spoon and just sort of mix that just a little bit. That way all the seasoning is distributed around in there. And then we'll throw the lid on there and start cooking it. Get one of Dan's wooden spoons he made here. And then we'll let you know here in a little bit how it comes out. Alrighty. We got it on sealing. Now, go ahead, Shug.
Manual.
$35. It's on 31.
Can't
there we
see.
go.
I got it.
All right. Folks, we'll see you here shortly. Alrighty, let's open her up here and see what it looks like. There we have it. Now we'll scoop it out, put it in the bowl, take 2 forks and shred it up, and we'll make us some pork tacos. Alright, I'm just spooning it out here in this bowl. You can see here how tender it is. Spoon it out right here. You can see how tender it is. And if you want to add the juice back to it, you can. We'll get us a couple forks and shred it up real good here. Alright, now this is entirely up to you folks. You can take your pack, stick it in the microwave, warm them up a little bit like that. What we generally do, we'll get a skillet, get it out here and heat it a little bit, flip it over, warm it up, and then we'll put our stuff in it. Alrighty folks, now you can put whatever you want. We put just a little bit of sour cream on there, some cheese, lettuce, and tomatoes, but whatever you like. Refried beans be good on there. Just fix it to however you want. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday.